Michael here from the Roof Guys, and this is your roof. Your ridge venting, hottest of the air, just naturally rises up that. You can see where some of the ridge caps have started to crack there in the center. A lot of times that happens and then they start flying off. This tube here, it's not a solar tube. It's either made by Solar Lights and More or Natural Lights. Basically a generic version of the solar tube. We're happy to reseal that for you. This should be, yep, that's made of metal, so no problem. For that, the lightning rods, looks like a newer installation. You'll want to call and have them remove it. That'll help carry the warranty if there is one, and then they'll be properly installed when the roof is done. Only way we remove them is if you don't want to put back on. So find a lightning rod company. A1 does a really good job. Some more ridge venting here. We can extend this both left and right, make it longer, get some more hot air out of there, as long as there's no truss in the way. Sometimes when these branches get a little overgrown, they soak on the roof and they can rot away at some of this wood. We give you 2 4x8 sheets. If you need any more than that, it's just $90 a sheet. Your plumbing boot here is where your sink breeze, your plumbing breeze, tubs, things like that, so it doesn't bubble. You can see squirrels got up there and chewed a little bit, scratch their nails on it. Sometimes I'll find frogs living in here. They get so big they can't even get out. Here's where they chewed on it or scratched at the bottom there too. We'll replace that with a bullet boot, and it'll have a guard on top to help keep the palmetto bugs and other creepy crawlies from getting in there. Another one of those Solar Lights and More or Natural Light tubes, we'll reattach that for you. The gas stack we're going to leave in place, but we'll reseal the bottom of it, and then we can paint it brown, black, or leave it gray. Another Solar Lights or natural lens. Gooseneck here, this one's more than likely for your dryer vent. Yep, not much lint on it, really good. They recommend you clean those every year and a half to get the lint out. Looks like it might have had a leak at one time, or somebody was just doing some preventative maintenance to that. But we'll replace that gooseneck, make sure it's sealed up real nice, a lot better than it is now. Some more ridge venting here. Let's see. Looks like you lost some ridge caps here, so that's where they start to crack in the center and then fly off. But these should be covered by ridge caps. We're also going to put a better ridge venting system on here. It's called Cobra. This is just kind of a mesh, so that'll help your garage breathe better, hopefully help bring the temperature down. The valleys is where we're going to put the ice and water barrier, 36 inches of it. 5-inch gutters is what you have. They have some economical hangers. They got some screw points in the corners down below that often will start to rust or even leak over time. The new industry standard is a 6-inch seamless gutter. They have heavy duty hangers. They hold 40% more water. I can get you a price on those if you would like, or we can just reuse these. This is your granules that have washed off the roof. We'll clean all that out for you and get some better shingles up here. But all in all, that's your roof.